In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Bastion cells here in Arc Raiders. This is actually super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to get Bastion cells here in Arc Raiders, essentially, and this seems kind of obvious, you're going to need to defeat a Bastion. You can sometimes loot them in the wild, but that is much harder. Defeating them directly is the easiest method. Now, the best locations to actually find these Bastions are, because there is some pretty reliable spawn spots. Essentially, if you hit play, you're going to see all of these different maps. For example, in Stella Montes, if you open this up and hit inspect, you're going to want to go to the loading bay right here. This is by far the best place to get a Bastion, because the Bastion's going to pretty much spawn here every single time, usually patrolling around the lower area. So go ahead and head to this area first. That being said, if you don't see it there, go to Spaceport, and what you're going to want to do is go to the Trench Hatch. This is by far the closest one as well, so just keep that in mind. From here, go to Buried City if you still don't have it, and you can look around the hospital or the container storage if you want to go ahead and get a spawn. In Blue Gate, if you open this up, there's actually going to be a section near the checkpoint by the cars down at the very bottom, so just keep that in mind. And then finally, if you open up Dam Battlegrounds, this one is just occasionally going to have one. I wouldn't honestly do this one last if you don't find any anywhere else, or if you just so happen to be on Dam Battlegrounds, just look around. There's not really ever one in this area. Once you do find a Bastion, defeat it, loot it, and they usually drop up to 3 to 5 Bastion cells. It really is as simple as that, though. If you do have any questions, ask them down below. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.